What's good, y'all? Back with another video in this thing. You feel me? So this is a client brow tutorial, so let's just jump right into it. First, I like to start off by brushing and arching my client's eyebrows. You cannot achieve a clean, sharp, laid brow if you do not arch your client's brows. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just brushing in between in a certain motion. I like to brush the way that the hairs are pretty much, going, and then I arch, and I'm just arching. I'm trying not to arch too much of the brows off. But yeah, that's pretty much how you're going to achieve. That's like the most important step into like doing brows, like achieving laid brows for your clients. To get that nice sharp look, you want to make sure that brows are completely clean, like no under hairs, and especially if you have clients like the client that I'm doing now. She has a lot of hairs, bushy, not really bushy, but clients who have like a good amount of hair on their brows. You really want to make sure that they are clean and arched, because that's what's going to give you that nice, sharp, clean, laid, slayed, whatever you name it, brow. So yeah, tip number 1, ladies, arch. Even if you're doing your own brows, please clean and arch your brows. So now I'm going to get ready to draw her brow on, and I am using the ColourPop brow pencil, and I like to start with very light strokes and just work my way. And I like to go a little bit under her brow, her normal brow shape, if I'm explaining that in any type of sense. But I like to just I like to go with the flow. Like, I don't even have a set brow routine. I just go with the flow of the person's brows. Like, I always start off with drawing that little bottom line. Like, I always do that first, and then I probably go from the top, fill that in. I like to do super light strokes because this little natural looking brow thing is definitely in. I love it. So, light strokes are key. And yeah, I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil. Shade and everything will be listed in my description box. And y'all, can y'all believe that I'm not using NYX dip brow no more? Like, if you've been following me for from the beginning, like you know that I just couldn't stay away from the NYX dip brow, but because I was so afraid of pencils, I never thought I could do brows with pencils. But the person who inspired me was is Hot Chick. I seen what she was using, and I was like, okay, and her clients be slayed. So I ordered me some, and I'm so in love. Like, I would probably never go back to no type of dip pomade. I would never go back to that again, like gel. Yeah, I'm sticking with this. I love it. ColourPop, get you some. So yeah, same thing for the other side. And of course, brows are not twins, they are sisters, so they're not going to always match, but you want to at least get it as close as possible. Sometimes I do look up with clients who their brows be matching on both sides, like a perfect match. But you want to match it up as close as possible. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. And a lot of y'all be talking about my pinky placement on the nose. Yeah, I don't know why I do that. I don't know. It helps me to draw. What side is that I'm looking? It just helps me to draw it on. Like, I don't know what's up with me holding that pinky on the nose, but yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And I like to take my time with brows, brush, draw, brush, draw. And for the tip of the brow, I just like to do light strokes upwards, just to give it that nice hair effect, like their hairs go up or whatever like that. So yeah, and I'm just brushing between that to make it look as natural as possible. So for the concealer that I am using, of course y'all know I'm using LA Pro Girl. Don't know when I'm going to get something new, who knows. So like I always say, you want to do 1 to 2 shades lighter than their skin tone, and then for the top of the brow, you want to do it as close as possible to their normal skin tone. So she was really super bright, so I didn't do too light under the eye, because I wanted, you know what I'm saying, like I just didn't want to go too light. But everything came out beautiful. Y'all will see towards the end of the video. So, you know, trust the process, continue watching the video, and you will see how lovely this came out. But yeah, oh, this freaking brush. A lot of y'all always ask me what brush this is. This is the Bare Minerals concealer brush. I've had this brush since 12th grade, y'all. I'm a senior in college now, so you do the math. I don't even know if they still sell this type of brush in the store, to be honest. I had 2 of them, lost one. So yeah, this brush is bomb. I highly recommend everybody, every MUA, to invest in this type of brush. So pretty much what I'm doing is buffing her concealer out. Some of my video footage got deleted, so you might notice that she got on foundation right now, because the other video got deleted. I don't know what happened, but this is a completed brow look. Her brows are done, fleeky, laid, clean slate, perfection. So you guys, leave a comment down below if you want to see how I achieve the rest of her face. Stay tuned for that video. That video will be up, and I will see you all in my next video. Ciao.